Ever dreamed of kicking off your vacation without the airport chaos? Imagine stepping into a haven of relaxation just a stone's throw from the runway. Welcome to Tribe at Manchester Airport, where convenience meets comfort for travelers catching those inconvenient early or late flights. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this sleek, modern spot just a smart stopover, or is it sparking debates about transforming airports into mini-cities? Stick around to dive deeper into what makes this hotel a game-changer, and you might find yourself questioning if convenience is the new luxury. Tribe at Manchester Airport stands out as the ultimate go-to destination for seamless travel vibes, perfectly suited for those embarking on journeys at odd hours. In this piece, we'll break it all down, from pricing to the delicious eats at the on-site eatery, so you can plan your stay with ease. Sign up for the travel newsletter. Thank you. And this is the part most people miss. The location is a true traveler's ally, tucked away just under a 15-minute stroll from every single one of Manchester's 3 airport terminals. It's especially appealing for adventurers heading out at dawn or dusk, transforming what could be a stressful start into a serene prelude to your adventures. No more rushing through security with a heavy heart. Here, you can unwind before takeoff. What sets this hotel apart from the crowd? Encompassing 412 rooms, it's proudly the biggest in Manchester, bustling with a vibrant mix of enthusiastic football supporters en route to Old Trafford. https://www.thesun.co.uk/topic/Old-Trafford, and eager vacationers, as I discovered during my recent visit. The ambience exudes a calming, modern elegance, thanks to its thoughtfully designed interiors that prioritize relaxation and style. Now, let's talk about the accommodations themselves. Each room blends coziness with practicality, echoing the hotel's vibrant and chic aesthetic. https://www.thesun.co.uk/topic/interiors, that gives off a sophisticated urban feel. For those new to hotel stays, think of it as a mini apartment with all the essentials for a comfortable night, without the clutter. Read more on hotel reviews. Standard features include a television for some downtime entertainment, a coffee maker for that essential morning brew, https://www.thesun.co.uk/topic/coffee, an electric kettle for quick teas, ample supplies of luxurious Kevin Murphy toiletries, a reliable hairdryer, and even a steamer as a clever alternative to a traditional iron. Room options cater to all preferences, from the straightforward Tribe Essential to the more spacious Tribe Extra, ensuring there's a perfect fit for solo travelers, couples, or small groups. And good news for your wallet, rooms kick off at just £115 per night, making it accessible without breaking the bank. What about satisfying those cravings? The on-site restaurant is a lively, expansive area serving up an Italian-flavored menu that's sure to tantalize. Picture a real-deal pizza oven churning out authentic pies, alongside a hearty selection of pasta dishes that highlight fresh, bold flavors. For the main event, options like succulent sea bass, tender bavette steak, juicy roast chicken, and classic cheeseburgers keep things varied and appealing. If you're in the mood for something different, why not venture out? The Ship, a charming pub in nearby Style Village, about a 10-minute drive away, offers a cozy atmosphere, while the tapas spot El Bosque right next door earns rave reviews for its shareable, flavorful bites. Most read in news travel. Beyond just sleeping and eating, Tribe opens doors to exploration. It's mere minutes on foot to the Metrolink tram system, which whisks you to iconic spots like Old Trafford, the Etihad Stadium, and the bustling heart of Manchester. https://www.thesun.co.uk/where/Manchester, city centre. For a breath of fresh air and history, Styles Quarry Bank Mill, a stunning National Trust site, https://www.thesun.co.uk/topic/national-trust, is easily reachable, providing a picturesque escape. And if you're a football enthusiast, Hale Village, known as a hotspot for Premier League stars, is just a 15-minute trip away, adding an exciting layer for sports fans. Is this spot welcoming for families? Absolutely, it shines as an ideal base for larger groups preparing for big getaways, helping to sidestep last-minute frayed nerves and ensuring everyone starts the holiday on a high note. Accessibility is a priority too. The hotel provides two specialized accessible room types, the Tribe Essential Accessible and the Tribe Atrium Accessible, designed to accommodate guests with diverse needs comfortably. Looking for a place to stay? For more hotel inspiration, click here. https://www.thesun.co.uk/topics/hotel-reviews. But is £115 a night too good to be true, or does it sacrifice luxury for location? What do you think? Does blending football crowds with vacationers create a thrilling atmosphere, or does it detract from the relaxing vibe? Share your thoughts in the comments. Has airport convenience redefined what we expect from hotels, or is it just a fad? We'd love to hear your take, agree, disagree, or add your own twist.